We're making it easier to inspect files without leaving the media library. You can now preview many more file types directly in the existing preview modal, with no download required. Let's check the changes. The media library now supports in-browser previews for 3D models, Word documents, PDF, Excel, CSV, text, code, and audio files. Unsupported file types will display an improved preview not available message when browser preview is not supported. Files that exceed limits will display a too large to preview message with an option to download the file instead. Let's go over how to view a file with these improvements. In the media library, click the three-dot icon next to your desired file and choose Preview from the right-click menu. The correct viewer will open automatically based on the file type for you to interact with. This helps you better manage your media storage, keeping your files updated and usable easily. We hope you enjoy it.